Hi, this is Ms. Cindy from the Crown Point Community Library, and today I'm bringing the library into your home with a simple science activity. So what we have today, if you stopped by the library, if you picked up one of these bags, then what you got when you got home is you found that there was a balloon and a hex nut. And a hex nut gets its name because the beginning part of that, hex, H-E-X, is our abbreviation for something that has 6 sides. So this is a 6-sided nut, and they would be used to hold a bolt in place, but today we're going to use it for science. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this hex nut, putting it inside of our balloon. So you're going to pop it inside there, and then you're going to blow the balloon up just like you normally would. Now you do need to be careful. Remember that there is a piece of metal inside here, so you want to make sure that you keep your fingers over the end, not squeezing too tight so that you can't blow it up, but leaving it loose enough so that that nut will not slide back. It shouldn't come out, but you want to be careful. You want to remember that it's there. If you have trouble doing this, you could have an adult or somebody else, somebody who's older, help you with this part. And then you're going to go ahead and blow the balloon all the way up. So let me show you. I have one that I already have done. So this is my scary balloon. Now my balloon was black. That balloon I just showed you was orange. There's all different colors. But what you want to do after you get it blown up is you're going to go ahead and tie the end. And you can decorate your balloon. I made mine. I gave them some kind of creepy eyes. They're not too scary, but that's what I was going for. Depending on your color of your balloon, like for the orange balloon, maybe I would want to make this into some bit of a jack-o'-lantern face. So put some black construction paper, glue it on there, or you can use a Sharpie even. Just if you're using a Sharpie or a marker, don't press too hard because you don't want to pop your balloon. You do want to try to blow your balloon up as much as you can without popping it. So you want to try to fill it up with air. And then go ahead and put some type of face or put some decorations on there if you want. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spin this balloon around in circles, and it is going to make a sound. So let's see what happens. Hang on, I got a little crazy there. Okay, did you hear the sound? All right, did you hear that? So that sound that it makes, that's the sound of that nut that's rolling around inside of there. And remember we talked about at the beginning that our hex nut had flat sides. It's not perfectly round. It's not smooth around the edges. And so the vibration of that circle, and when that hex nut is spinning, it creates that sound. The vibration of that nut hitting those sides creates that sound. And it sounds like a screaming balloon. And depending on how big you blow up your balloon, the sound can get more high pitched. If you have a smaller balloon and a larger size nut, then you might get a different sound also. So this is something that you can play around with. If you did not pick up a balloon and a hex nut from the library, you can simply do this on your own. All you need is a balloon. I chose like about the 10 or 12 inch size, and then you need to find a hex nut. You can ask a parent if you might have one around your house somewhere. Don't take it off a piece of furniture because that would not be good. Or you go to any hardware store, you can buy one. They're not expensive. You only need 1 or 2, and you might want to buy different sizes to see what happens. Enjoy your activity and have a great day.